Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 25th of August 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. And so whatever has happened today in the market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view. And this video content is only for the educational purpose. Okay, so let us start we'll start with Nifty 50. Today was the monthly expiry and the previous closing for Nifty 50 was 17,617 and the open was on a positive side, as even the US market closed a little bit on a positive side yesterday. Today the Nifty 50 opened at 17,684. The high was 17,739 and from there it has just dropped to 17,501. Okay, so I'm just going to explain you how that has happened. This was the yesterday's closing, which was the upper side most of the hammer candle. From there it has slightly dropped and then the market has opened above this pivot level, slowly has made a normal candle, hammer pattern candle, and after that from there it has just touched the pivot level. From there 17,665 to 17,719 it has gone so much up, and from there it has again gone down, again took a little bit of support, tried to break this pivot line and tried to fill the gap, but it could not happen, and this was at around 11:30, and from there it has taken a U-turn and then again gone up, and then from there it has again tried to break and fill this gap and then tried to break that trend line, and in the second attempt it was successful. See, this was it tried to break and fill this pattern, but it could not, went back. It came until here, this line came a little bit down but couldn't sustain, so it went back again up. This time it could not close the candle above this pivot level, so this time it has successfully managed to break and fill the gap and then break down, close below the pivot level. And I still remember how the option premium had shot up so much from this point to this point. We can clearly see that, and then from it goes down and then again goes up, from here again it comes up and then little bit comes down, and then from there here it has continued to go down and has managed to close at 17,522, which was the support of this line. Okay, so this is the support line. Also, now coming to Bank Nifty. Okay, so if you see on the Bank Nifty August future, the previous close was 17,755. The open was 200 points, 150 points higher to 39,243. The high was 39,489 and then low was 38,918, and then from here it has just kept on. In the first morning, in the first half, the Bank Nifty was trading a little bit higher. We can see it even Bank Nifty, how this has happened. Okay, one second. Yes, okay, let's come closer and then we see the Bank Nifty is there. Okay, so Bank Nifty was not that much of gap open. Okay, but it just like through 150 points in the index part. Okay, so 39,144 approximately closing in this point, 175, and then has opened this. Even in this Bank Nifty thing, the first candle has given us a quick hammer pattern candle, and then from here it has just pulled up, tried to stay above the pivot level and break it, but it could not break this side, so it has taken a little bit of U support and then up, but it couldn't break it at the second time. In the third time it has become a little bit of volatile. If we see in the first only one candle of 3 minutes, this has fallen more than 300, approximately 130 points in less than 3 minutes. It couldn't sustain there, but it has managed to fill at least 30% extra gap of this whatever was there, and then from there it has taken a U-turn, and then how we can see here, it has just quickly shot up and then came down over here again and then again shot up, has tried to touch this pivot line if we see properly, and then touch this pivot line. From there it couldn't close above the pivot line, so it has just kept on dropping down, and I remember me being in 39,400 put option. Okay, that was trading approximately 50 rupees, and the target was 80 to 110, and I took at 50, exited at around 55 if I'm not wrong. Oh sorry, 47 was the entry, 53 was the exit. Small quantity, small profit, small numbers, and but a larger quantity. So that was there in this candle. I remember in this candle, in this candle I had entered, exit, and then again boom, it went up. And from here, in just one candle, if we see how after this candle closes down, and in this candle we can see 265. Yeah, nope, sorry, I am sorry. Okay, so that had happened, yeah, in this candle. Sorry, my position, I'm sorry, I was wrong. My position was somewhere around here. Okay, and in this my position was here, and I had exited at this position, and from here this pivot level managed to break down, and a straight 150 fall, 150 points of fall came in this candle. Even we can see the volume was also very high in this. Someone has done a very large amount of selling, and then from then it took a U-turn and then again went down. The premium I sold at 453 rupees, and this below candle it become 130, and at this candle approximately it become 300, 350, and from here at the bottom it was at 480, and the closing was at 400 today for the August. 39,000, I will show it to you. 39,400 PE, we can see 450, how it has shot up so beautifully. It has shot up, it has just gone up and up, and it has not looked the downwards. And if I was staying also in the position, I would be having approximately 600 to 800% returns in the PE position. But it is okay, whatever has happened is happened. The market is going to stay here, I am going to stay here. Maybe not today, in the future we will try to grab such kind of opportunity. Yeah, so well, that's it from my side today. That sorry, thank you so much for staying up until here. See you all in the next episode.